Guys, for about a year now, I've been working at home and I've been spending more time at home and trying to make it into a kind of home office studio type environment. That said, kind of gave the place a little bit of a makeover, put a bunch of shelving in, cupboards, drawers, the rest of it, desk, lighting, all of that kind of stuff. Meant to do a studio tour, but never really got round to it. So today's that day, coming right up. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. And if you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button, click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today is a day I'm a year late. I'm going to do a little bit of a studio tour and a bit of a desk setup, but the thing that's actually prompted this video is I did all this about a year ago, remodeled the place, and I've grown out of it already. So I want to show you the before, which was the 2019 studio setup, desk setup, and then I want to show you the 2020, literally brand new, fresh look to what I've done. So this is pretty much what my studio setup looks like today. So a bit of recreation with a table football, and we got a bunch of shelves and cupboards, drawers full of tech gear and video gear, cameras, whatever you like to mention. Bit of a seating area if you fancy doing that. And I've got this massive screen on here, the LG curved widescreen monitor, which I have reviewed recently. And the Herman Miller chair, the Aero chair, probably one of the most comfortable chairs I've ever sat on. And a whole bunch of lights and just clutter. I've got these stands for the lights and the cameras because I didn't want to have a lot of tripods sitting on the floor all the time. But quite frankly, yeah, it's full of clutter. The desk is just too small, so I need to have a bigger desk. So kind of outgrown this pretty quickly, so getting the lights in there. Another bit of a seating area there. I've got the stereo and a TV there because I like to listen to decent music. And then, yeah, for those all important health benefits, a bit of a gym area to work out. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. So let's get cracking with the new setup.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness. So
there you have it. That was the unpacking of my desk, the assembly, albeit a bit quick. Yeah, this thing is absolutely phenomenal. Really like it. It's got tons of space. It's actually solid wood, so that's great also. And yeah, that's what the finished article looks like. So no more real clutter. Everything's kind of organized. I've got kind of like a work area where I can edit and do my day-to-day. I've also got space to film product unboxings, etc. So absolutely super happy. Guys, thanks ever so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Thanks for watching.